Do you have things falling all over your wire shelves? Does it get like super annoying? Well, I have the best trick for you to make it feel like it is a flat surface. Are you ready? EasyLiner in clear. Seriously, these things are game changers for wire shelves. Okay, I'm going to show you why, and it is going to be incredible. All you need is your clear EasyLiner and scissors. Boom! Okay, you're gonna cut your EasyLiner to the size of your shelf. One side is bubbly, the other side is smooth. Both sides are grippy, so you can put either side down. I personally like the bubbles up just because it helps so things don't really like slide around. If you want things a little more slidey, I would use the non-bubbly side. But for me, and this is all of our cleaning supplies, so I'm going to put the bumpy side, I'm gonna put that up on top. So I gotta remove all of this stuff. All right, now my shelf is all cleared. I'm gonna lay my liner down. So I didn't have to remove anything from this to measure the size just because I went like this, and that's how I cut it. So now I'm gonna place it down. I'm gonna place the bubbly side up. And I didn't even have to cut anymore, just the simple cut from the beginning, which is amazing. Okay, now I'm just gonna put all my stuff back and look at, now it is a smooth surface. Nothing will fall through the cracks. Ah! Nothing is falling through. Everything is staying in place, and see, it's grippy, so things don't really slide, which is exactly what I wanted in this closet. Now, when I'm putting things away, I like to store them like a grocery store, so you line them up with like what they are, right? So it really just helps keep things tidy in your cleaning closet. Now, I gotta do the second shelf, and then we'll be all done. Vacuum parts, cleaning caddy, Mr. Clean. So all of my shelves are lined. On the top shelf, I decided to do the smooth side up. Because we do take out the vacuum parts and use the cleaning caddy, I thought that that might be a little easier just because they don't really slide because it is grippy, but it just is a little smoother than the bumpy side. You can find these at any Walmart or on Amazon. All the links are below. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.